Story has it, birds were flying south, for the winter. And as they were flying south, they run into a snowstorm. And when they go into a snowstorm, mother, stay standing because we're getting ready to shout. Who, glory to God. Bird comes wounded, falls down in the snow. While the bird is lying down in the snow, a cow comes along and he does his business on the bird. Somebody like you don't know what doing the business is. Oh, somebody said that is detestable. That's gross. But after he's covered in cow manure, there's a lion who comes through and hears the bird under the cow manure. He goes down in the minutia and he takes the bird out and he wipes him off and he cleans him off. And when he wipes him off and cleans him off, he looks at the bird and says, "Bird, you're so pretty." And he opens his mouth and he swallows the bird. Somebody said, what a sad story. What's the moral of the story? That everybody who's crapping on you is not your enemy. And everybody who's stroking your ego is not your friend. Y'all better come over here. Woo! Everybody who's telling you how wonderful you are is not your friend. Y'all come on, let's give God a hand praise. Woo! Oh my God.